Welcome back to How To. This is the series where we take people who know nothing about trailers, pair them with people who know something about trailers, and we attempt to teach them something along the way. In our last few videos, we learned how to attach the truck to the trailer, how to get cargo onto the trailer, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to secure said cargo to this big, beautiful Diamond C PSA utility trailer, Venture Edition. This one specifically happens to be wrapped by Dirty Graphics and has a real cool, heavy-duty textured vinyl wrapper on it. Without further ado, Kaylin, one of our technicians here at Central Trailer Sales, is going to start us off with making sure that we have the right equipment to secure our cargo to our trailer. Why do we use this ratchet strap?
This ratchet strap happens to fit our cargo perfectly. It has a working load limit of 600 pounds, and this cargo we have weighs roughly 1,500 pounds. So with 4 straps, we will be exceeding the working load limit, which is good. The strap will be exceeding the working load limit of the cargo.
Are there other types of straps?
Yes, there's many different kinds of straps. We also have chains, and we also have cables, cable, chain, and strap, nylon strap in this case.
But never a bungee cord.
Never a bungee cord. They serve a good purpose, but this is not one of them.
So how do we start with the ratchet strap?
Strap, slot. You can actually pull that back through. That looks more complicated than it is. But once you're through, anchor point, anchor point. Once you've gotten the tie down points, final check, make sure each one is ratcheted down appropriately, tight. You're not going to sit there with a bar on it, you're just going to get them very taut. All 4 corners, and essentially parking brake on a vehicle if you have it, or a foot brake if you can lock that down, leaving it in park. 1 extra point of security would be ideal. That's not going anywhere.
And there you go, that is the final step right there. The warning spell that everyone needs to give a good tap to the cargo before they take off. The actual last step you need to take is turning your vehicle on and making sure all the lights work on your trailer and making sure your cargo is securely strapped down. And from there, you're hopefully good to start hauling wherever you're going. If you have any comments or questions, definitely leave those in the comments below. If you've learned anything from this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.